Hey Looker developers! We all know the drill. Your team needs fast, simple answers about Google Cloud usage for costs, but developing individual dashboards and managing access permissions for ad hoc or one-off requests quickly turns into friction. You want to empower your colleagues, but you can't hand out full data access for every single billing request. Let me show you how you can bypass those ad hoc requests quickly and easily with a Looker block. Today, we'll swap that friction for flow by using a pre-built block of LookML to give your users quick insights with Conversational Analytics, allowing that team to talk to billing data directly. It's a single source where all the queries can be answered with focused detail in one place. It's clean, it's fast, and it frees you up to focus on deeper insights and analytics. Before we get started, there are some things we have to do to get ready. The Google Cloud billing data needs to be exported and stored in your database. A Scratch dataset to hold your persistent derived tables should be added to your project as well. And the connection to those tables needs to be set up by your Looker administrator. I've included links that detail the steps of this process in the documentation and a guide that explains the process specifically for BigQuery. After the export and connection are configured, head over to the Looker Marketplace. It's a shop icon on the top right of your screen. Click Discover, and then search for Cloud Cost Management Google Cloud. Click Install, and it's going to ask you for 4 elements. First, specify the connection your admin set up. Next, enter the name of the recommendations export table. You might not have this table in your database, and it's only used for one dashboard in the block, but you should still populate this field. The naming convention is your dataset name .data.recommendations_export. Enter the name of the detailed billing table. It might be the one with export_resource in the name, but check with your administrator. This will give you the most detailed information. Finally, enter the name of the pricing table with your dataset name .data.cloud_pricing_export. Again, just double check these names with your admin. Now hit install and you've just saved yourself weeks of SQL modeling. Let's test the experience. Open the Looker menu and click Conversations. Select the Explorer named Billing. You can select a prompt to learn about the Explorer and the data, or you can enter a prompt for a deeper dive. If you don't see Conversations, ask your admin to enable Looker with Gemini and Conversational Analytics and configure the correct permissions. There's a default role in Looker called Conversational Analytics User, which you can add to the required group so they can access the data specifically for the billing model, chat with agents, which we'll talk about in another video, and Gemini and Looker, which unlocks the chat interface. Now, when those users log in and select Conversations, they'll be greeted by a chat bar with basic suggested prompts to learn and understand more about the data. Check that out. Now, when, say, the finance team asks for detailed information about GCP, they can explore the data themselves and get quick guided answers, interactive graphs, and the ability to understand the data better with just a simple prompt. No ad hoc SQL requests, no granting unnecessary console permissions, just secure, role-based access to the data stream. Now they can come to you with deeper understanding of the data and more informed analysis requests. This is how you can reclaim your time and empower your team. Set up this GCP billing flow using the links below as your guide. Thanks for watching. Chat soon.